Hello, good afternoon, Madam, Sir. My name is Flordelisa Leal Dinos, 44 years old, married. I have 3 kids, 2 girls and 1 boy. I have work experience before in Kuwait or Middle East, 2 years for taking care of children and elderly. I work also in Hong Kong for 8 years, taking care pet just like a dog, children, and also elderly. I can manage the household chores like the cleaning, washing clothes, washing the car. Uh, can cook a Chinese food just like steamed fish, steamed chicken, fried fish, fried rice, fried vegetables, stew pork, and I can make also a long soup for Chinese. And hopefully you can choose me, Madam. Thank you.